Hello, guys. This is your girl, Patience Ekle Ugochukwu, here on Peko Africa video series. And today I'll be showing you how to make someone an admin on your Facebook business page, either for the person to help you manage your page if you're one of the people that are busy, or you want someone else to help you manage your business, or if you want the person to help you run an advertising on that business page, either Facebook or Google ads or any other ads. You need to make the person an admin. And right now we are on my Facebook profile, and remember that your page is usually linked to your profile. So let's go back, click on the pages. This is the reason why you have to click on it, because you need to bring out that particular page. And remember, we'll be using Peku Homes. I want to make someone an admin on this new page that we created the other time, on Peku Homes. Okay, we are on Peku Homes now. There is a whole lot of setting that we are yet to do on this page. So now I want to make someone an admin. Just take it that I want someone else to manage the page. So for me to make someone an admin, what I will be doing is, we are in Peku Homes page. So at the top right corner here, you'll be seeing the setting icon. So you click on the setting icon. Okay, and then you see settings, you see general, page info, and like that. You are going to be clicking on page roles. Okay, click on page roles. Okay, so now I'm the owner of the page. That's why it's showing my name, Patience Ekle Oguchukwu, as an admin. So I want to make another person an admin. So you see add person to page. So I'll click on add person to page. And for security purpose, they want you to re-enter your password here to ensure that you're the owner of this Facebook profile. So I'm going to click here and I'll be typing in my password. So I just typed in my password for Facebook, okay, and then I'll click on continue. Type the name of the person, the Facebook user. Let me type Grace DK. Okay, you just come here. Okay, and then once I click on this add icon, the person will automatically get a notification that I'm trying to make he or she an admin, and then she will just click on the notification. She will see accept and decline. Once the person clicks on accept, that's it, the person will become an admin automatically. Okay, so that's just the simple steps on how to make someone an admin on your Facebook page. Thank you very much. This is Patience Ekle Ogochukwu, and don't forget to visit our website at www.pecoafrica.com. Reach us for your beautiful website designs, for your Facebook ads, for your affiliate marketing, and other digital works here. Have a nice day and bye.